Strong brands hold power in every market, and as companies expand internationally, protecting trademarks becomes essential. Legal executive Rebecca Roby explains how global trademark portfolio management turns brand value into real protection against copycats, confusion, and identity loss. Without structured planning, companies risk disputes, wasted investment, and weakened brand recognition. A disciplined approach safeguards identity as businesses scale. A strong portfolio begins with clear processes. Shortcuts create gaps that become expensive later. Protection starts with confirming that names, logos, and taglines are available and deciding where to file. Trademark searches act as the first major filter. Before entering a new market, companies must check official registers, business names, and unregistered marks. Roby emphasizes that deep searches reveal conflicts early and improve the chance of approval. Quality searches detect similar marks, translations, and visual similarities that may confuse customers. Skipping this step can lead to delayed launches, forced rebranding, or financial loss. While basic checks can be done internally, experienced trademark professionals add insight and help identify hidden risks. Smart filing strategies balance resources with business goals. Filing in every country is unrealistic, so companies should prioritize regions where they sell, manufacture, or plan to expand. Markets with high counterfeiting or trademark squatting often demand early filings. Mapping out core and secondary regions along with online exposure helps shape a focused plan. Decisions should consider competition, consumer size, reputation risk, and likelihood of imitation. Protection should cover words, logos, slogans, and packaging elements central to brand identity. International systems streamline expansion. The Madrid Protocol allows companies to file one application and request protection in multiple countries, saving time and reducing paperwork. Yet some nations require national filings or apply different standards. Many strong portfolios follow a balanced strategy, using treaties for broad coverage while filing directly in key markets. Strong documentation keeps filings, deadlines, and communications organized across regions. Registration is not the finish line. Trademarks must be maintained, renewed, and defended. Missing renewal deadlines or failing to file required documents can cause loss of rights. With large portfolios, manual tracking is risky. So many companies use management software or service providers for renewals and document organization. Accurate records support fast responses during disputes or audits. Monitoring markets is equally important. A mark can be copied anywhere demand exists. Watching trademark registers helps detect conflicting new applications, while monitoring online and offline marketplaces reveals unauthorized use. Specialist services send alerts when similar marks or suspicious products appear. Early detection enables quick opposition or enforcement before harm spreads. When disputes arise, enforcing rights becomes crucial. Roby notes that enforcement may involve cease and desist letters, administrative complaints, or legal action. Some cases resolve with simple warnings, others require local counsel familiar with national laws and courts. In many regions, customs authorities or online marketplace operators can remove infringing goods quickly. Effective enforcement discourages future violations and keeps rights strong. Global enforcement comes with challenges. Each country has its own laws, standards, and enforcement speed. Some require proof of use, others follow first-to-file systems. Language differences, bureaucracy, corruption, and slow courts create obstacles. Companies must adapt strategies to local realities and rely on experienced regional partners. Technology now plays a major role in enforcement. Monitoring platforms scan online listings daily, using artificial intelligence to detect variations of trademarks even when spelling or visuals change. Image recognition tools track unauthorized logo use in photos, ads, and packaging. Digital platforms also offer takedown procedures, enabling swift removal of infringing content without lengthy court processes. Strong global protection blends registration, monitoring, quick action, local expertise, and advanced technology. Trademarks represent trust and years of investment, and without firm protection, brands become vulnerable to dilution and misuse. By committing to structured, long-term trademark management, companies maintain consumer trust, protect profits, and strengthen their position in competitive international markets.